Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Cabinet's finally here. Cabinet, over cabinet, then finish backsplash. Finish all that up. Then we good to go. And we finally got a TV in this thing. Finally, getting more and more like home. This thing actually shows pretty good. 75-inch Samsung. Today what we're about to do is we're about to go to Hexa. Familiar driveway setting. I'm currently at Granny's. I had to come over here and pick up some bushings. These are the ones that didn't come with the kit. So look who pulled up. Pulled up. He bought the Supra again. And he said I get to swing it. He gonna let me swing his Supra.
I don't know where the hell you gonna swing it at. Your parking lot is full.
Swing the Supra. They gotta swing it right here. There's plenty of room.
Yeah, it's all off. Don't wreck my shit.
Ooh.
Huh?
Why is it acting like traction control's on?
I don't know. Let's double check. Not on now.
I think that was one tire fire. Do that again.
Traction's on.
Yep.
Huh?
It's like it activated again or something.
You turn back on?
There you go. Those are some smoky ass tires.
Michelin's, bro.
Man.
Hey, I got to swing a Supra for the first time.
Hell yeah.
First time getting to swing a Supra. I feel accomplished.
There you go, bro.
Look, the little baby ones.
All right. Look good, smell good.
I was about to do figure eights. I'm like, man, I don't want to change positions and this activate again. You see the last one, it gripped back up, like it let go. I'm like, yeah. Now we're about to go in here and check out the progress on the SC 300. Check this out first. So yeah, they said, oh, everybody been asking, what's going on with the SC? What's going on with the SC? He ain't been working on it because he been playing with this shit.
Let's put one of these in the SC.
Why? It's gonna make it way slower.
Yeah, that's true.
Hood and everything closes, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty tight. It's like the new VG, basically.
So it's the Q60 motor, right? Q60 red.
Red Sport, yeah.
How much these motors go for?
This one was $3 grand plus shipping.
What? That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not bad, bro.
VG BHR trans bolts up. Just need a custom flywheel.
Bruh, if I keep the G35, you down to throw one of these in there or what?
Yeah, it's been done.
Oh, this will be sick.
So yeah, check it out. It's tight. It looks like there's a lot going on because everything's up top. Down below, there's a ton of room.
Bruh, this looks, I don't know. Maybe I don't want this. This looks like a pain in the ass. Ooh. Man, is it ready to start yet?
Gotta figure this out. I don't know how dude made it fit. You know? I'm sure there's a way, I just don't know the way. Gotta figure it out.
Gotta Lego it.
I'm also gonna clean up all this wiring too.
All the
airbag stuff.
Yeah, get all that out of here. Cool.
It's just plumbing at this point.
Yeah, figuring out that box. So George originally wanted to delete this, and then I was like, you know what? Never mind. I don't think I want to delete it because I still want my shit to be a street car. I don't want it to go like full on crazy race car. I want everything to function like normal, windows, wipers, all that. So I'm keeping my little fuse box right there. So you gotta figure out how to make this thing work.
I don't need. It's hella tight. The other thing is going to be intercooler pipe. Because I was thinking about doing this, just kind of keeping it here, but then we have to do, you know, some swoop to get down there.
And we're probably gonna be redoing the whole exhaust system because I think my 3.5 is gonna be a restriction. So we might do a 4-inch downpipe back to a dual 3.5 inch. So that might be the plan for that, or I might just go single 4-inch exhaust. I don't know yet. But a lot of changes. I'm really thinking about how I want to redo the look of this car, because you can see right here, this is all cracking and stuff. And then from when he did the fenders, it's cracking here. So I'd kind of rather just start from scratch and just get all Twinkies old work off of here and just have Works Customs redo this whole car also. So, and it's definitely time to lighten this thing up with the newfound power. I'd rather drop a couple pounds off this thing, which I could do a lot by getting rid of this hood, these fenders, and this trunk, and then probably going back to my old trunk. If you guys remember the old Bomex look that hung off, that look was hella sick. So might do that and change the whole look of this car, because right now it's low-key, not all that aggressive, but I might go back to like a super aggressive look. We'll see. We shall see, but I definitely want to change this look up on this car. It's been like this for a while. Newfound power needs newfound look. So yeah, while we here, figured I'd show y'all the catastrophic failure we had on the Vet. So if you look close, you can see right here, we have a cracked piston. And then you can see right there, the block is actually cracked. So yeah, unfortunate turn of events, but it's all good. You know why? Y'all know why it's all good? It's all good because I already picked up my spare block. Ended up getting the LS2 block, and we're actually going to be stroking that thing out to a 402. I'm just getting back to the shop, and what a long day. Basically a whole bunch of talking business, and basically setting expectations on what I want done to those cars that are at the two shops over there. So getting back here. What's up? Just sitting here under the fan?
Under the heater, looking up swap shit, you know. Trying to figure out which route I'm going.
What you mean what route you're going? You gonna do the same thing I did to my LS3?
Well, no, but yours is like kind of mix and match with like the LOJ stuff and the ISR is what I'm saying.
No, it's all ISR except for the LOJ pan. That's the only thing that's LOJ on my car is the pan.
And the transmitter.
No, remember it didn't work. We used ISR mount. Remember we put it on there and took it back off.
That's right.
So everything on there is ISR except for the oil pan. My oil pan is LOJ.
Yeah. Well, I guess that's the route I'm going then.
So you gonna keep this intake or what?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep the intake.
This looks good though. I like this intake. I just know it's It's gonna take some low end torque. I know that for a fact.
Yeah.
So this old ugly ass. Oh, he texting. You got some bitches, bro?
I'm texting my boss.
Where the hoes at? Man, what's up? You gonna run this versus my 350 or what?
Just ask us what cologne is that? That shit's so inspired.
350 or what?
What cologne is that, Mike? I just need to know off the record.
What? My cologne?
What cologne?
Oh, this shit smell good. That shit smell.
I'm just asking for, you know what I'm saying, for a friend, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's actually the cologne bottles in the 350. I mean the G. Smell hella good.
Hey, whoever wins this in the raffle gets a cologne.
No, y'all don't get that cologne. Negative. That cologne coming out and coming with me. My girl bought me that cologne. So what's up, bruh? Run it.
I ran up to 50.
You gonna run my 350, or you're down to do the race and get ran?
You know these bitches is running in the
I don't care. We can do a roll or dig. I'm gonna pull off on your shit. Alright. This ain't running no 10. You on crack.
No, they're running 10.
You ain't. Stop saying they. He that nigga that be like, oh yeah, I got the same stuff as this fool, and this dude made 450, and I got a little extra stuff on top of what he had, so I should be definitely making about 800. That's that guy. That's him.
I don't like to lose to niggas like this, so I'm just gonna probably go buy some more mods because I know you probably got some more mods. So at the end of the day, it's gonna be two niggas putting more mods on the car.
It don't matter though. I got more than one fast car.
Me too.
What, your 300ZX?
Yeah.
I will run that shit into the ground.
With the 350?
My 350 would probably run that. I bet you my Vet would run it and my SC would run it too.
Your SC, that's different. We ain't got. I'll race your SC on my motorcycle. I ain't playing with your SC.
Run it then, run it, nigga. I don't give a fuck about your two wheels, nigga. Run it. I want smoke with everything. Everything.
I'm gonna call Fresh Kicks for that. Man.
Fresh Kicks gonna get ran too.
He gonna be like,
he know what's up.
He gonna be like, who the hell is writing me?
Kicks know what's up. The SC is Kick's biggest nightmare. He be at home, sleeping, dreaming, sees. Phew. He see my car coming up from behind. He be like, no, it's Mike. He in the SC. I hear it spooling. Oh shit, he's brake boosting. He's trying to catch me from the 40. He wants the 40 roll. Hey, all of a sudden, he wakes up.
Bad nightmare.
Nah, me and Kiss gonna get it in. That's my nigga. I love that nigga.
He in SoCal?
It don't matter. Stop talking about Kicks and talking about gapping you.
I'm with it. I'm with it.
He acting bold for the camera, y'all. He ain't with it.
All right.
I'm not. I'm not with it.
I am.